Hey, Mr. Heisler himself. Hopefully this video finds you in good spirits. Just sitting in my bedroom of Australia. So basically, mate, just a brief video. I entered a contest on Instagram by Mr. Jeff Dundas. Picked one of my photos to be selected for a free day. Emailed him inquiring about your workshop, and obviously, it was just full, obviously. Good for you. So yeah, he said I could go on the waiting list, which is cool, but I'm pretty far being in Australia for waiting to have someone drop out. Just not that logical really. So he said maybe we could ask for just one more spot to open up, just a little one. I can just sit on the floor somewhere in the back and be cool. So yeah, it's the point of this video. So basically, I thought I'd do this as just a way to make a little connection, and so you could go, oh yeah, he's cool, just let him come, it's alright. So, yeah. I've just come back from 3 years of travel. Didn't really, I was sort of burnt out on photography a bit. I was doing a lot of landscapes, and then I went traveling and was doing other pursuits. I'll put a video up of that so you can understand why.
And are you going to take a couple of steps? Yeah, okay. So you can give the count and I'll watch as you get to the edge, I'll go. Yeah. Okay. Didn't make a noise. It's not even flashing. It's counting. Yeah. Woo! All right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1. See ya. Yeah! Whoa! Yeah, bros! That was so funny.
So yeah, that's what I did with my time. Just ran around, traveling, jumping, experiencing places. It was cool. Took a few portraits and started to really like it. So done some research, found your work, loved it. If I come, you let me come, I will be demanding that you sign this. Deal? And I just want to keep this short. I could just babble on because I'm so nervous right now. If you let me come, I'll bring you all the chocolate bars in the world. You seem to like those, I think. You've mentioned those a few times. Or, on the other hand, if you don't want to eat any more chocolate bars, I'll stop you from eating all the chocolate bars. Thanks, Mr. Heisler. Hope to hear from you soon. And take it easy. See you in Palm Springs.